Are you having trouble keeping up with all these fake hate crimes? I know I am. I mean, we had two in Mississippi. We had one where people were spreading nooses and signs around the state capitol. Turns out they were put up by a bunch of black people, Democratic activists trying to gin up the black vote. And then we get another one. This woman took a Confederate flag and placed it on the grave of a guy who was killed by the Klan more than 100 years ago. This again was proof positive that the Klan is emboldened, proof positive that white racists are terrorizing the countryside of Mississippi, proof positive of your need, black people, to get out there and vote these clowns out of office and put that Democrat into the United States Senate. Yeah, well, that worked as well as it did. Then we found out the day after the election, oh yeah, well, you know, a black woman put that on that grave. And don't worry, the family of the person buried there forgives her because the black woman just wanted to remind everybody how real white racism is in Mississippi, how it still exists. And to prove it still exists, she had to make up something that never happened.
Please, sir, I want some more.
That's how you prove reality. You use fantasy to prove reality. Yeah, we see that here all the time. I know it's crazy, but at least it doesn't make the black kids angry.